Masking fluid can really help when painting intricate patterns. Hi, I'm Marie and I'm going to show you how I paint this beautiful Caladium leaf using masking fluid. The first thing I do is mask out all of the areas that I want to save. So the areas that I want to keep white and clean for now. Once these areas are masked out, it's so much easier to paint a smooth watercolor wash over them. And I can also adjust my green mix here, making it darker in places to add depths to this first background layer. And I can also add in any other colours or blemishes that I see, again without having to interrupt the flow of my paint, and work around lots of little shapes. And I can also add any details at this stage that I want to, such as veining or shadows to this background layer as well. Then once the layer of paint is completely dry, I simply remove the masking fluid. You can use an eraser for this or simply clean, dry fingertips as I'm doing here, and just pull it all off of the paper so it comes off extremely easily. Once that's done, I come back in to add to this layer. I first paint a very light water glaze so that the green edging that I'm applying to the shapes here naturally dissipates at the edges and creates a really lovely natural looking frayed edge. And I work my way across the leaf in this way, adding in detail, veins, and really defining the shapes on the leaf, making sure that they have a lovely natural edge. I use this really small brush, so this is a size 0 pointed round brush, to keep my lines very delicate, and I'm able to work quite quickly as all of the shapes and markings that I want are already here. And then I also use my clean damp brush quite a lot to make sure that I'm softening in these green lines that I'm putting down into the green background layer. There's a full tutorial of this Caladium leaf inside my online school, the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below if you'd like to learn more. And please remember to like and subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with my new videos demonstrating various watercolour techniques. So I continue to work my way around the leaf, always lightly dampening the surface first, making sure that I don't disturb the paint that's already down. So this means dampening the area very quickly and very lightly. And then I continue to build on the intricate pattern that covers the surface of the leaf. And then once I've worked my way over the whole of the green area, I can come in with this beautiful vivid pink, blending it into the white background that it sits on. And again, I do this by dampening my paper first, not too much as I don't want to disturb the green, and I don't want the green running into these white areas. Then once I've added my pink, I use my clean damp brush again to blend the edges into the white background. So just giving them a little nudge to help the edges soften. Then I come back in with a slightly darker or more saturated mix of my pink to enhance the colour. So this just adds a bit of depth onto these pink markings by varying the tone on them. So painting a patterned leaf like this really is a lot easier and a lot quicker when using masking fluid to mask out the shapes first. It saves a lot of time painting around very fiddly little patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of it, and I'll see you for the next one.